Well, it's a form of solid precipitation. It consists of mostly water and ice and ranges in diameter from 5 millimeters to 20 centimeters.
If indoors during a hailstorm, stay inside. Also, stay away from windows. Hail can cause serious to fatal injuries.
If outdoors, stay out of low-lying land.
Also, be sure to protect your head and seek shelter immediately.
Lightning is discharges of electricity. They can have channels to the ground, which means the lightning strikes the ground, or they can have no channels to the ground, where the lightning just stays in the cloud. If you're outside during a thunderstorm, seek shelter immediately. If you feel the hairs on your arms raise, it could be a sign that lightning is about to strike. Get on the balls of your feet with your hands on your knees and lower your head. Get as close to the ground as you can without your hands touching. This technique could be life-saving when lightning strikes. If you are in your car and traveling through a thunderstorm and see lightning, do not get out of your car. When there's lightning outside, don't go near windows. The lightning can strike through the window and hit you. During a thunderstorm, do not use landlines with cords. The lightning can strike nearby telephone poles, and electricity can travel through to you. If you need to call someone, use a cell phone. During a thunderstorm, do not take a shower. Pipes are a good conductor of electricity, and lightning can strike you through the pipes while you're taking a shower.
One myth about lightning is that you should go under a tree during a storm. This is not true. Being underneath trees is the second leading cause for lightning casualties.
Wind is the natural movement of air of any velocity, especially Earth's air and gases surrounding the planet in natural motion and horizontally.
Long-duration winds are named according to their average speeds, such as breeze, gale, storms, hurricanes, typhoons. Short bursts of high speeds are called gusts. Average wind speeds are up to from 21 to 40 kilometers an hour. Strong winds are 41 to 70 kilometers an hour.
In case you are caught in a storm with strong winds, be sure any outdoor furniture or equipment is secure and stay inside.
Flash floods occur whenever precipitation falls on dry or non-absorbable soil. It also occurs whenever glaciers or snow melts rapidly from intense heat. Flash floods occur in hurricanes or tropical storms, near volcanoes, glaciers, or more severely deserts. If you're in a car and you see a flash flood across the road, turn around. More than 2 feet of water gets carried an SUV-sized vehicle away.
If you are outside during a flash flood, get to the highest ground possible to avoid the powerful waters. If you are inside, do not go outside.
Most tornadoes form from thunderstorms in Tornado Alley, which is in the middle of the country. Tornadoes form from winds from the Gulf of Mexico combining with winds from Canada, which are cool and dry. Whenever these winds combine, they create a flood, which is a tornado.
If you're outside during a tornado, find shelter or couch in a ditch or other low-lying place to keep the storm passage.
You should never be driving during tornadoes. If you're caught in your car, don't try to outdrive a tornado. You can easily lift your car up. If you are stuck in tornado conditions and you're in your car, seek shelter in a nearby building or ditch. Anyways, during a tornado, it is best if you seek shelter on the floor closest to the ground. So if possible, get in the basement or storm shelter. Avoid all exterior walls and windows, for those can be very hazardous. If necessary, take shelter under a stable piece of furniture or mattress.
Blizzard is a severe snowstorm characterized by strong winds of at least 35 miles per hour and lasts for a prolonged period of time.
Once a blizzard becomes too heavy, it is called a whiteout. A whiteout is where the air, ground, and sky look like one big white blur. Make sure to stay hydrated, but don't eat the snow.
That looks pretty bad out there. I think we'll go outside.
Wait, stop! Don't leave your work or house during the peak of a blizzard.
Who are you?
Well, I'm the blizzard.
Always have warm clothes accessible in case of emergency, such as a blizzard.
If you ever get caught in your car during a blizzard, don't leave the vehicle.
If you get caught outside during a blizzard, seek shelter immediately.
Extreme heat is considered to be temperatures 10 degrees or hotter above an average temperature of a region. Extreme heat usually lasts several weeks. It's always best to stay inside during extreme heat, but if you must go outside, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and try to stay cool. Pools are a great way to stay cool. When outside, be sure to wear clothing that covers most of your skin, but it's loose-fitting. Also be sure to wear a wide-brimmed hat to cover your face, and don't forget the sunscreen. When inside, cover the windows with blinds to help keep the heat outside. Also, wear the least amount of layers as possible. Don't be like her.
Well, wait! I'm the blizzard!
During extreme heat, never leave children or pets unattended in the car.
Your weather safety kit should include the following items: tennis shoes, a radio,
A pillow,
a blanket,
a map of your area,
extra cash,
gloves,
non-perishable foods,
An ID,
duct tape,
a first aid kit,
a gallon of water,
a flashlight,
extra batteries,
a hammer.
and a screwdriver.
Make sure to keep your weather safety kit in an easy, accessible place in your house. Also remember to keep a kit in your car.